Alright, so I didn't show myself installing this, but just installed some this little washer hardware, some Allen six-point bolts over here. But yeah, just giving it a little bit of a touch up. This suspension is, I believe it's CX Racing. It's not too bad. It's pretty cool. This is just a stock J32 Type S automatic. But yeah, that's how it looks right now. This is my daily driver. I took my motor out over here, my other motor over here. This one's a 6-speed Type S CL from a 2003. I bought it from a donor car, and that one is going in my hatchback. Right now it's currently in the paint shop right now, getting the bodywork and painted and everything. This one I fell off on it. It's just a stock B18. I did put new oil pump, water pump and stuff, but I just lost interest in it after I found this motor and just stuck it in my Civic. But yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, like, whatever you want, and yeah, there'll be more footage of it and everything. But for now, this is just my daily driver, and it pulls pretty good. It's not too bad. Right now I got it on jack stands. I was changing the O2 sensor on it because it just went out during the snow. But other than that, I like it. It's not too bad. Just stay tuned, guys.